Hello, everyone over there at Yurch Brothers Striping. My name is Charles. I'm with Wally Digital. My colleague contacted you the other day asking if you wanted to receive a video. This was a custom video I was making just for you guys, just to give you a few free tips on how to get more and more traffic coming to you guys digitally. You might be wondering, why am I doing this? Well, I'm doing this because one, I realize that business owners are busy, very busy, and there's not enough time to learn all of this stuff. Two, there's a lot of information out there, information overload. All this information is definitely available, but I'm just trying to condense it and give it to you so that you can implement these things easily. Um, Trust me, I do have a lot of tricks on my sleeve, but I'm just giving you a few free tips. There are also tons of scanners out there. I'm sure you have. I also have many emails in my inbox saying, hey, we can help you get these clients and leads and whatnot. So I just wanted to give you some concrete stuff that you can use yourself, some free tips to just kind of prove myself. So I'm sure you know about 86% of customers use Google to find local services. So in my reasoning, if you could get at least one new client per month using Google, then this is more than worth it to you. Well, depending on the prices and how much you're being charged for. But if you can get um, free new clients just implementing these tips, then this is worth it for you. Okay, so what am I going to talk about today? Four things. I want to talk about keywords, content, citations, and backlinks. Keywords are those things that people type into Google. For example, if I was looking for line striping in Cleveland, I type something like that. This is a keyword, the phrase that people type into Google to look for services. So definitely, when I take a look at your website, it's important that you do a little bit of keyword research. You find what people are using to look for your services, and you make sure you include that in the text on your page. I can see you don't have a lot of content, and that's the next thing I wanted to talk about. Content. Content is everything that's on your page. All the pictures, all the words, all the text behind the pictures. For example, if I try to download one of your pictures, let me see. I can see that you've saved it as it's saved as some random string of letters and numbers. It's important to save your pictures as those keywords that are recognizable by Google. This is so that Google can bring you to the top of these kind of searches when people type in certain keywords for your services. We all know everybody chooses the top businesses on the searches. Okay, the other thing I wanted to talk about are citations. Now, what are citations? Citations are anywhere online that your name, address, and phone number, your business name, address, and phone number are cited on any directory online. And that helps a lot with this area of the search known as the map back. So how do you rank here? Take a look at your competitors. Make sure you have more citations than them, probably double or triple the number of citations, and Google will start to recognize you more and more for these local searches and put you at the top of here. I can see you already here, which is great for this one search. Say I was looking for parking lot striping, Cleveland. I'm sure, well, you're not yet here. So whenever you're putting in your citations, make sure in those citations, on whatever directory you put them on, you're including certain keywords so that you can start to show up more and more for different searches in this. The last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks are whenever a different site links to your site. So for example, if there's a site on if there's a forum for asphalt paving contractors and they have a link that's sending people to your site, directing traffic to you, that's a backlink. It's important to again research your competition. So for example, I can find these guys, Holland Paving. Let me take the address. There are very many tools out there. I use a tool called Ahrefs to research different websites. It's a monthly payment tool. And if I put them in here, I can analyze their site and find out the number of referring domains and the number of backlinks they have. And then I can double or triple the number of backlinks on your site. This is my advice. Double or triple the number of backlinks that your competitors have, so that you'll start to show up more and more for relevant searches. In fact, just a little bit more with this tool, you can come in and look at the referring domains, find out what backlinks they have, make sure you can go out and get a backlink from these different backlinks that your competitors have. So, just to recap again, what I've talked about: keywords, content. Make sure you have between 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content on your front page, meaning content that shows who you are, what you do, the locations you service, etc. And this is for your home page. Your other back pages can have about 750 words of content, and that's fine. I also covered citations. Make sure you go out and get more citations than your competition, and backlinks as well. If you're interested and you like what you've seen, I'm going to hit you back up for feedback. In case of anything, I want to leave this up here. I just want to let you know that we've created these new monthly booster packages for businesses. One is the basic package, which is just a website, but it's fully SEO optimized, which means it's ready to rank for the different searches in your area and your location. We do all the keyword research, and we research your competitors. Usually, we sell it for about $2,000 as a one-time fee, but now we've switched to monthly packages, so it's going for about $350 per month for 6 months. We guarantee that by the first to third, after the third month, you will start receiving new clients. I always tell people, it's my suggestion, to go for the complete package. Why? Because on top of a fully SEO optimized website build, we will optimize your Google My Business profile. This is what ranks higher and higher. This is what ranks here in the map pack. So we'll optimize we'll optimize your profile and give you monthly maintenance, which goes for about $750 a month. On top of that, we have 6 months of aggressive search engine optimization. What this means is that we'll be going in and looking at all your competitors, making sure you have enough backlinks to beat your competition. Our expectation is that at the end of these 6 months, you will be at the top of both the map pack and the organic search listings. Thank you very much. Again, my name is Charles, and I'm gonna reach out to you for feedback. I hope you've enjoyed this. Take these tips, they use them for free. If you'd like to work together with me, I'm more than willing to discuss and help you guys grow. Thank you.